Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Caterpillar Kits is probably one of the most fascinating and educational gifts you can give to a curious child, offering a unique opportunity to witness the incredible transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly right before their eyes, fostering a love for nature and science through hands-on observation and learning. Number 5. Insect Lore Butterfly Garden. Embark on a captivating 3-week project and witness the incredible metamorphosis of your very own butterflies. Watch as they transform from tiny caterpillars into beautiful winged creatures. This kit includes everything you need to get started, from live baby caterpillars and their food to a reusable habitat and special holders. You'll also find a feeder, sugar packets, and a handy dropper. Dive into STEM learning with our engaging activity journal, packed with exciting science, math, and writing activities. It's a perfect way for your child to explore the fascinating world of butterflies interactively. For over 50 years, families and educators have trusted us to bring the wonders of nature indoors. Our caterpillars are raised with care on our farm, ensuring a high-quality experience. Experience the joy of raising and releasing painted lady butterflies right in your own home. It's an unforgettable way to teach an appreciation for nature and create lasting memories. What we like. This kit offers a generous 10 live caterpillars, ensuring a robust experience. It comes with a durable, reusable mesh habitat and an engaging STEM journal. If you're looking for a comprehensive and long-lasting project with plenty of caterpillars to observe, this is an excellent choice for budding scientists. What people say. The caterpillars are healthy and active, arriving in good condition. The habitat is well designed, providing ample space for the caterpillars to grow and transform. The kit includes clear instructions, making it easy to set up and care for the caterpillars. Number 4. National Geographic Butterfly Growing Kit. Build the perfect home for butterflies right in this mesh enclosure. It's easy to set up and get ready to witness an amazing natural transformation. See firsthand as these tiny caterpillars grow and change. They will eventually emerge as beautiful butterflies, a truly magical sight. Your kit comes with a voucher for 5 baby caterpillars. Just redeem it and get ready for the incredible journey of metamorphosis. Discover the wonders of nature with our included learning guide. It explains the entire butterfly life cycle and helps you track their progress. We provide top-quality science toys for hands-on learning. Enjoy an exceptional experience with our products, designed for fun and education. What we like. This option provides a voucher for 5 live caterpillars, allowing for flexibility in when you start. The feeder is designed to be decorated, adding a creative element. It also includes a detailed learning guide. If you appreciate a bit of artistic flair and a structured educational component, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. The caterpillars are very active and engaging for kids. The kit includes everything needed for a successful caterpillar to butterfly transformation. The habitat is well designed and easy to set up and clean. Number 3. Nature-bound Butterfly Growing Kit. Discover the magic of metamorphosis with the Nature-bound Butterfly Growing Kit. It's a complete package designed to bring the wonder of nature right into your home. Watch as tiny caterpillars transform into beautiful butterflies. This kit provides everything you need for a successful and engaging life cycle project. Spark your child's curiosity with this engaging STEM activity. It's a fun and educational way to learn about insect life cycles, perfect for home or classroom. Our tall, pop-up enclosure offers easy viewing and a safe space for growth. Made with quality materials, it teaches valuable lessons about nature and environmental care. This kit does more than just grow butterflies, it cultivates a passion for the natural world. It inspires young minds to become curious and conservation-minded explorers. Your kit includes a voucher to redeem for live caterpillars and their food when you're ready. Just a small fee covers shipping and handling. What we like. This kit features a convenient pop-up enclosure for easy setup and viewing, along with a voucher for 5 caterpillars. It emphasizes an eco-friendly design and is great for sparking natural curiosity. If you value ease of use and an environmentally conscious approach to learning about nature, this is the one to consider. What people say. The caterpillars are healthy and active upon arrival. The habitat is well designed and easy to set up. The feeding instructions are clear and simple to follow. Number 2. Live painted lady caterpillars to butterflies kit. Experience the inspiring journey of metamorphosis. Watch as these amazing creatures transform into beautiful butterflies right before your eyes. You'll receive 5 live caterpillars, complete with nutritious food. They're all set to begin their incredible journey to becoming butterflies. This live butterfly kit includes everything you need. You'll get 5 live caterpillars, a mesh butterfly cage, and food. Follow our simple instruction sheet for a smooth experience raising your butterflies. Learn about their life cycle and how to release them. Enjoy the beauty of nature with this low-maintenance activity. It's designed for a hassle-free experience for everyone. What we like. This kit directly includes 5 live caterpillars and a mesh cage, making it a straightforward experience. It's highlighted as a low-maintenance activity, perfect for those who want to enjoy the process with minimal fuss. If you're seeking a simple, direct, and easy-to-manage introduction to raising butterflies, this kit is a great fit. What people say. The caterpillars are healthy and active, arriving in good condition. The habitat is well designed, providing ample space for the caterpillars to grow and transform. The feeding instructions are clear and easy to follow, ensuring the caterpillars receive proper nutrition. Number 1. Insect Lore Butterfly Garden Live Caterpillars. Create unforgettable memories with this captivating 3-week project. You'll witness the day-to-day metamorphosis of your very own butterflies. This kit includes everything you need for your butterfly journey: live caterpillars, their food, a habitat, and life cycle figurines. For over 50 years, we've been trusted by families and educators to provide live insects. Teach an appreciation for nature with our live specimens. Our mesh habitat is designed for effortless use and easy observation. It's a fun and engaging way to teach your little ones about nature. Combine bilingual instruction with life cycle science using the included STEM activity journals in both English and Spanish. Learn about all the stages. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 10 live caterpillars, bilingual STEM journals in English and Spanish, and life cycle figurines. It's designed for creating unforgettable memories and offers a rich educational experience. If you have bilingual learners or want a more detailed, multifaceted learning tool with tangible models of the life cycle, this is the superior option. What people say. The caterpillars are healthy and active, and the habitat is well designed for them. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, making the setup process simple. My kids were fascinated watching the caterpillars grow and transform into butterflies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.